Fixed income earners trooped to BIR offices and other filing centers today to be the deadline for the filing of income tax returns. Queues of tax filers started as early as this morning. More from Haji Camino.
Few minutes before the 5 p.m. deadline, an exodus of taxpayers rushed to the Quezon City Revenue Region 7 to file their income tax returns. Prior to the Bureau of Internal Revenue's announcement that there will be no more extension, filers didn't want to suffer the consequences. Late filers starting Monday will have to pay a 25% surcharge and 20% penalty per annum. As an overall assessment for the last day of filing, BIR Commissioner Kim Henares said she's contented and hopes to reach the revenue target collection of 1.456 trillion pesos.
Well, as usual, dagsaan ng tao, no? Despite all the requests not to come and file early, no? Hopefully, no? Pero malalaman natin ho yan, no? In terms of absolute amount collected by May 15 pa ho, no? Based on the our officers, they said there's more people, no? Both here and in the bank, no? So hopefully that's good news.
Meanwhile, latecomers who didn't have the chance to file their ITRs were dismayed. Jeff, who came from other RDOs before trying to catch up the Quezon City local office, failed.
Lahat ng district nandun.
Okay.
At sana pinagsabay-sabay na namin. Ngayon, isang messenger lang kami. Pupunta dito, pupunta doon. Pagdating dito, wala nang oras.
Hindi nyo na inabutan. So marami ka dapat pa-file.
Marami pa pa-file. Tapos ngayon, hindi kayo pagbigyan. Ang dami nila nakuha kay Pacquiao. Tapos sa amin, maliit lang, ayaw pa pagbigyan. Di ba dapat pagbigyan din kami?
Anong gagawin?
Many taxpayers who came during the last day of filing have different stories and reasons.
Ang daming mga client ngayon lang nagbigay ng iba ng mga requirements eh. Kasama kami sa yung wife ko nagkukuha siya, nagpa-practice CPA yun. Kaya kami nagpa-file ng ganito. May mga clients siya.
Ngayon lang may time eh. Obligado eh.
Marami po kaming ginagawa. Marami pong RDO. Kaya talagang ngayon nasabay-sabay. Mahirap. Accountant. Kaya marami pong Kaya medyo nagagahol din po sa oras sa araw. Naaabot sa deadline. Pero okay naman po. Nai-assist naman sa loob eh.
The Quezon City local office covers 10 districts including Marikina, Mandaluyong, Pasig, Cainta, and Taytay in the province of Rizal. There were only minor technical problems during the last day, such as busted receiving machines, but was immediately fixed by authorities. For the People's Television Network, this is Haji Camino.